Dear students, for chapter 11 on probability, we will be able to understand probability as a measure of chance, define samples, space, outcome and event, as well as to calculate probability of a given event. Now let's look into what is probability. It is the extent to which an event is likely to occur, which means what is the chance for an event to happen. And it is measured by the ratio of the favorable cases to the number of cases possible. Hence, the formula to calculate probability would be the total number of favorable outcomes as a ratio of the total number of possible outcomes. Now let's look at some examples of probability. What is the chance of getting a head when you flip a coin? We understand that a coin has only two sides, the head or the tail. Hence, the chance or the probability of getting a head is actually 50%, which is half. And how about the chance of getting a 2 on a 6-sided fair dice? A fair dice has 6 sides of numbers from 1 to 6. And hence, the probability of getting a 2, a number 2, is actually 1 over 6. Alright, so for an unbiased fair dice, it has 6 faces, which includes the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There is an equal chance of getting each number. Let's look at the blanks below to understand probability better. Now, a random experiment is a process whose results cannot be predicted with certainty. And what is a sample space? Sample space is a collection of all possible outcomes of a random experiment. An event is a set of all favorable outcomes of a random experiment. Outcome is a result of a probability experiment. Now, notation N represent the number of the possible outcome in the sample space. So S represent the sample space and N represent the number of possible outcomes. Now, the notation N again here represent the number and E represent the favorable outcomes. And we use the notation P to represent the probability of an event.